In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split one Word file into multiple files. If you've ever worked with a really long document in Microsoft Word, you know it can get messy fast. Maybe it's a big report, a collection of chapters, or a manual that needs to be broken down into smaller, easier-to-share files. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to turn one long Word document into several separate files without losing your formatting. First, open your main Word document. Before you do anything else, save a backup copy. This is important because we'll be cutting and moving content around, and you always want a clean version to go back to if something doesn't work the way you expect. Next, scroll through your document and decide how you want to split it. The most common approach is to split by sections or headings, like chapters, modules, or topics. Take a moment to identify those natural breakpoints. If your document is using heading styles, such as Heading 1 for main sections, that's even better, because it will be easier to see where one part ends and the next begins. Once you've identified the first section you want to turn into its own file, click at the very beginning of that section and drag down to highlight everything that belongs in it. Be careful to include any images, tables, and bullet lists that belong with that section, but stop before the next section's heading. After the content is selected, copy it. You can use the right-click menu and choose Copy, or press the standard keyboard shortcut. Now create a new blank Word document. In that new document, paste what you just copied. Give this new file a clear descriptive name, like the section or chapter title, so you'll know exactly what it contains later. Go back to your original document and decide whether you want to remove that content or just leave it there. If you're archiving the original as a master copy, you might keep everything. If you want the original file to be trimmed down, you can safely delete the section you've already moved. Repeat this same process for every section you want to split out. Highlight, copy, create a new document, paste, then save with a meaningful name. When you're done, you'll have a set of smaller, organized Word files, each focused on a single section, making them much easier to manage, share, and update over time.